Alright guys, I'm going to do something a little different this month. I am going to do a live unboxing, or unbagging now, of my short par 4 bag. I still prefer the boxes, but I understand it's probably cheaper for them to, you know, put them in bags. I've seen a lot of people already, but let's hope mine's maybe a little different. Let's see what we got here. First things first. Nice little set of tees, you know. Plastic, so I don't go through many tees as it is, so this will be kind of nice. It'll probably last me almost a whole season. Cool. A sleeve of TP5X tailor-made golf balls. Oh, that's cool. Short par 4 logo. Not bad. I'll lose these in a week. Not even. Got a interesting belt. It is, I don't know if you can really tell the color, but it is camouflage. Not sure how I feel about that, but I'm sure I can find something to wear it with. I wonder, yeah, okay. And we got, obviously, come on, FedEx Cup playoffs poker chip. And are these shorts? Oh, they are. And they're one of my favorite colors. Nice link sole shorts with a really nice kind of teal trim to them. I like the snap button. That's pretty cool. Not a bad box, guys. If you want to check out Short Par 4, I will leave a referral link. You can get your first box or bag for 25 bucks. Check it out.